How are you all doing? So today onwards I'm gonna do videos related to winter season so that it's quite helpful to you guys as well. And yeah, I got some requests on doing some hair routines on my like shampoos and all of that stuff, which mostly changes a lot, but still I will do a good updated one so that it's, if you want to know like my hair, what I do for hair oil and this and that, it's a lot, and I'll do it soon. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. So in today's video basically I thought I would just recommend face washes which are absolutely amazing for the winter season for all skin types. Now during winter season, obviously even if you're from oily skin type, your skin is gonna get dry, not extremely dry like dry skin people. Dry skin people are gonna suffer from a lot of things. Face washes are literally suitable for all skin types. I come from oily skin category and this suits me like anything. It is very good, and basically they are literally focused on, like, you know, with fruits and like infused amount of fruits and this and that. And I really got addicted to the advertisements and also the reviews of people I got, and I didn't took a lot of time and just ordered and used them from a long period of time now, and I'm doing a video so that you can also buy them and know about it. Products which I'm talking about so much is the face washes from Lakme. These are the Lakme Blush and Glow face washes. They have been launched in three categories, like three different, like, you know, flavors and whatever it says. And I got all of the three because they are very affordable, and the quantity is absolutely a lot. You get a lot of quantity in the product. How much you pay for, that is amazing. And yeah, I started using them and I really felt amazing on my skin. The way it cleanses every single thing from your face and all. Now I think cleansing is a really important part of your everyday routine and all of that stuff, so make sure that you use really good face wash. And as I said, these face washes are really suitable for all skin types because they have a lot of moisturizing properties. As I said, I'm from oily skin category, and the one which I use is so suitable for me, which is the pomegranate one. So I'm gonna go one by one and talk about it and share how I felt about it and all of that. The first one which I'm using, which is the pomegranate one. So this is the Lakme Blush and Glow face wash with pomegranate extract. Now this absolutely, all of the three face washes literally, like, you know, it just smells like whatever ingredients they have. Doesn't smell like, really speaking, all face washes smells like whatever ingredients they have. Doesn't smell really artificial or like chemically. There are a lot of products which smells a lot of saints, and I hate when product smells a lot, like, you know, just unnatural fragrance. It doesn't smell like that, which is very good. And the pomegranate one, as I said, is one of my favorite. I use this almost, you can see it's over. I hope you can see, it's like really transparent. This is almost over. I use this every day in morning and night religiously, and this is one of my favorite from all the three. So this has pomegranate extract, and pomegranate is really good for oily skin people because it has that cleaning properties and removing dirt and junk. So yeah, that is what mostly it says. And it basically, it just infused with pomegranate extract, and it does feel like really like, you know, you had some granules as well, the pomegranate seed. It does feel that it has that. And yeah, it definitely is one of my favorite face washes. So this is the one. And the second one is obviously strawberry. So this is the Lakme Blush and Glow strawberry face wash. Now this is very good for dry skin people because this is very creamy. This doesn't suit me a lot. I don't use this because this is very creamy. It gives a lot of moisture that I don't like that much of moisture, because as I said, I come from oily skin category, so it doesn't suit me a lot. But this is very nice for dry skin people, extremely you know, just want a lot of moisture and all of that stuff. You can go with this. Again, this is with literally full of you know, strawberry extracts and all of that stuff. This has, like, strawberry is one of amazing antioxidants for your skin. Having strawberries is recommended every time, and this actually has that yellow granules which the strawberry has. That is very weird, to be honest, but when you just take it in your fingers, you can also smell the whole of thing of like strawberry. So yeah, this is the second one. And the third one is peach. Now this is very good for, I think, combination and sensitive skin because this one is very gentle, So it is very good for mostly combination, not extremely oily, not extremely dry, so around middle. And also peach, because the peach is very very like very, you know, it's not harsh on your skin, it's very light on your skin. So I think sensitive people will also like this one, as these two face washes have some sort of granules in it. So I think sensitive skin people will not like much of this two face wash, but this is absolutely good for them because this is more of cream based and also it cleanses your skin and give good moisture. So yeah, this is the third one, which is the peach one. Again, this is an antioxidant. So Lakme is like, you know, they remove these face washes just focusing on natural fruits and making them like emphasizing fruits on your face. If you have seen the advertise, you will see that they are just squeezing all the fruits and this pouring onto your face. That is how it works. It's like you're using fruits on your face. Most of the brands are nowadays focusing on natural ingredients, and they are literally showcasing that they are making products with all fruits and this and that. That is really good because natural products work really good on your face rather than chemical. Obviously, on the long run, chemicals are not going to help your skin. I've learned that a lot. And yeah, this was the video for today. These amazing face washes, and also coming to the price and all of that stuff which I didn't mention in the start. So they come in 3 sizes. So the first size is, I forgot, and I have to bring. This comes in of 25 grams, which retails for 40 rupees, which is very cheap, and it comes in almost like that, this much size. The second one is 50 grams, which I have. So this is the size which is medium. So this is 50 grams, which retails for 99 rupees. And the third one, which is very like, you know, large, that is 100 grams, and that retails for 190 rupees. So if you just want to give a shot and try it first, so you can go with 25 grams, which is for 40 rupees. Try it. If you like it, then go with big or small one. I just got this because I trust Lakme as a brand. And to the packaging, I really love the colors and the packaging. They are very peppy and good. I really like it, and they are literally with the color of which fruit they are made of. Like, so peach is like orange, pomegranate is like almost I don't know, this is burgundy red or whatever, and this is like tomato red, so strawberry whatever color. So yeah, they are like, the packaging is really cute and good. You can travel with this as well, not at all heavy. And yeah, this was the video. If you like it, definitely like it. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Do comment down if you want me to do any sort of video. Like, if you have any sort of video request, do put it in the comments so that I can emphasize and make it. And thank you for commenting on my videos and letting me know a lot of things about this and that. I'm really grateful to every one of you who has subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.